Alright, today we have your Rockwell American or Dexter 8,000 pound electric brake axles. These axles have the 12 and a quarter by 3 3/8 brakes on them, 5/8 studs with the oil bath lubrication, or you can run grease, really either way. It's pre-wired through the tube, has a 3.5-inch heavy duty axle tube on it. It has the 4-bolt backing plate. Spring pads, you can get them welded on or not welded on. We sell them both ways. This isn't no hybrid. We don't like those hybrids. We sell the true 8,000 pound axles here. So this is what a true one looks like. One of those hybrids would just have a 12 by 2 brake like a 7K, and or they would just have a 3-inch tube like a 7K. But I feel like without having the 3.5-inch tube and the bigger brakes, I just don't feel like it's should be called an 8K, because this is what an 8K looks like, and this is what an 8K is. The heavy duty stuff. That's just my personal opinions. We always have great deals on these, and we try to keep them in stock as much as possible. So if you need any, just give us a shout. Trailer Parts Unlimited, 844-898-8687. Or shop online at trailerpartsunlimited.com. Or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.